With over 1 billion monthly active users, Instagram is one of the most used social media platform and is easily one of the easiest ways to gain popularity. So in this video, we will show you 7 pro tips to gain Instagram followers from scratch. Number 1. Post regularly. Being consistent is one of the most important key factors on Instagram. Honestly saying, you are not going to gain thousands of followers overnight. Or well, if you are lucky enough to gain thousands of followers overnight, you still have to feed your audience with some content. And for that, you have to post regularly. So question is, how often we have to post? Well, according to the recommendation from some of the popular blog posts, you should post once or twice per day rather than once or twice per week. But not more than that if you are having an individual account. And yes, try to add something new and creative in every new post. Number 2. Sticking to one category. The biggest mistake people make on Instagram is that they never stick to a topic. For example, you started your profile as a tech reporter and then after getting some followers, you start posting food posts. This will definitely affect your numbers when your previous tech followers get annoyed by looking at your food post. So always keep in mind that you have to stick to only one category. Sticking to one category doesn't mean that you are going to get a lack of content. You can try different things in the same category. For example, if your profile is based on technology, you can do tech reviews, unboxing, gadget comparison and much more. Number 3. Use trending hashtags. Using trending hashtags is also one of the most important factors in increasing your Instagram followers. By using trending hashtags, you enable your post to get discovered by the new audience so they can interact with your post. Make sure you are using hashtags that are relevant to your topic. For example, if your post is about nature, then you can use hashtags like amazing nature, nature lovers or nature photography. To find the best trending hashtags that are relevant to your topic, you can use these mentioned apps. Number 4. Try Instagram Reels. Believe it or not, Instagram Reels getting so much popular day by day, especially when TikTok got banned in some of the countries. Millions of users are now turning into Instagram Reels as it provides similar features that were present on TikTok. So if possible, try to create Instagram Reels that will easily help you to reach more people. Number 5. Comment on similar profiles. We know this may sound tiring at first, but believe us, this will help you to gain a lot of followers. You have to comment on the other profiles that are similar to yours. In this way, the people from the other profile will get to know about you. And if you are lucky and if they really liked your profile, chances are that they end up following you. Number 6. Instagram Ads Promotion. After trying all the previously mentioned steps, if you're still not being able to get followers, then you can try Instagram Ads Promotion. Instagram Ads Promotion for business will help your profile and your post to reach the desired audience by paying some money. What actually Instagram ads do is that they will display your profile or post in the Instagram stories, feeds, discover section, reels or anywhere you like according to your customizations. And from there, if people like your profile or post, they will follow you. But we think this is not the super easy way to get followers. Then how to get Instagram followers easily? Let's see the final step. Number 7. Famoid. Famoid is a tech company founded in the year 2017. They aim to provide the best service possible at the most reasonable price. Famoid is a legal company in the United States that work 24/7 even during holidays. They will help you gain thousands of likes, subscribers and followers to your social media platform instantly. If they fail to deliver as they promise, you will get your full refund. You can also contact their 24/7 support team in case there is some issue. Still you have a trust issue, don't worry, you can research about them online. They are one of the highest rated and most trusted social media service provider out there. Ordering something from Famoid is so easy and convenient. Just go to famoid.com, select social media platform, select service, and in the last, select the package that suits you best. You can check the video description to get the best offer available. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, then please drop a comment. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.